Hi everyone, welcome to World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some rustic cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Rustic cottage decor is a cozy, warm and inviting interior design style that blends rustic elements with cottage-inspired charm. It emphasizes natural materials, vintage or distressed furnishings, and soft, neutral color palettes with pops of pastel or earthy tones. Key features of rustic cottage decor: use natural materials like wood, stone, linen, cotton, and rattan are commonly used to create a warm and organic feel. Number 2. Distress or vintage furniture. Own or antique style furniture adds character and history to the space. Number 3. Soft neutral colors. Whites, cream, beige, and soft pastels help brighten the room and make it feel airy. Number 4. Cozy textiles. Layered rugs, knitted blankets, and floral or plaid fabrics enhance comfort and charm. Number 5. Handmade and upcycled pieces. Dye and repurposed items add a personalized and rustic touch. Number 6. Nature-inspired decor like jade flowers, oven baskets, and farmhouse-style accents create a country feel. Number 7. Warm lighting, lanterns, string lights, and candles contribute to the cozy ambience. Rustic cottage decor combines the simplicity of rustic style with the warmth and nostalgia of a countryside cottage. It is perfect for those who love a relaxed, homey atmosphere with a touch of vintage elegance. Rustic cottage decor is all about creating a cozy, welcoming atmosphere with a mix of rustic, vintage, and country-inspired elements. It takes inspiration from old-world charm, rural farmhouses, and quaint countryside cottages, blending natural materials, soft colors, and antique or distressed furnishings for a relaxed, lived-in feel. Key elements of rustic cottage decor: materials and textures. Wood. Reclaimed wood or unfinished wood is a staple, used in beams, floors, furniture, and decor. Stone. Natural stone fireplaces, walls, or accents add an earthy, timeless feel. Wicker and rattan used in furniture, baskets, and decor for a handcrafted touch. Iron and metal, black old iron details like light fixtures, bed frames, or cabinet handles enhance the rustic feel. Color palette. Use soft neutrals. White, cream, beige, and teal create a bright and airy space. Pastels, soft blues, pinks, yellows, and greens add warmth without overwhelming the space. Earthy tones, browns, terracotta, and muted greens blend well with rustic elements. Furniture and layout. The strays or vintage furniture. Features with chipped paint or that old or antique charm give a sense of history. Mix of old and new, combining heirloom style furniture with modern comforts. Create this balance. Comfortable setting. Overstuffed sofas, rocking chairs, and cushioned chairs with cozy throw pillows. Decor and accessories, floral patterns and plates, using curtains, upholstery, and table linens, or a cottage feel. Handmade and upcycled items, tie decor, vintage finds, and repurposed furniture, and personality. Nature-inspired accents, use dried flowers, wreaths, houseplants, and botanical prints. Bring the outdoors in. Cozy textiles, layered rugs, knitted blankets, and linen, or lace tablecloths enhance warmth. Open shelving and display cabinets, showcasing antique dishes, glass jars, or books creates a homey vibe. Lighting and ambience, soft and warm lighting, table lamps, candles, and lanterns. Style fixtures create a cozy glow. Use candlelights or pendant lights, old iron or rustic oak design enhance the aesthetic. Natural light, large windows, light curtains, and minimal heavy traps keep the space bright and airy. How to achieve rustic cottage decor in your home. Use reclaimed wood for furniture, floors, or wall paneling. Incorporate vintage finds like old picture frames, antique mirrors, or thrifted decor. Choose cozy textiles like linen, cotton, and wool in soft colors and patterns. Add a farmhouse touch with open shelving, exposed beams, and different front sinks in the kitchen. Create inviting spaces with comfy seating, layered rugs, and warm lighting. Rustic cottage decor is perfect for anyone who loves warmth, nostalgia, and a connection to nature. Rustic cottage decor is a blend of old world charm and cozy simplicity, making it a popular choice for those who love warm, inviting spaces that feel both lived in and timeless. It draws inspiration from traditional cottages, rural farmhouses, and country retreats, incorporating vintage aesthetics with practical comfort. Deep dive into rustic cottage decor, origins and inspiration. Rustic cottage decor is inspired by country cottages, old farmhouses, and European countryside homes. It takes elements from French country, English cottages, Scandinavian heights, and and American farmhouse styles, creating a relaxed yet elegant look. Many of these design choices stems from times when homes are built using locally available materials, making wood, stone, and handcrafted items key features. Cozy lived-in furniture. Rustic cottage furniture is all about comfort and vintage charm, like distressed wood, reclaimed or weathered oak tables, cabinets, and dressers. Overstuffed settings, plus sofas, armchairs, and tufted ottomans. Mix and match pieces, antique and repurposed furniture for a collected over time look. Open shelving, displaying dishware, books, and vintage finds. Vintage and handmade accents. Rustic cottage decor includes personal touches, antique clocks and mirrors, edged frames with ornate details. Floral and gingham fabrics and curtains, bedding, and tablecloths. Handmade ceramics, mismatched mugs, plates, and vases. Dried flowers and shades, lavender, eucalyptus, and baby spreads. Iron and brass hardware, cabinet handles, light fixtures, and bed frames. Inviting and soft lighting. Lighting plays a big role in making a rustic cottage feel warm and cozy. Use table lamps and lanterns, soft glowing lights rather than harsh overheads. Candles and fairy lights to create a magical ambience. Old iron and wood fixtures, rustic candlelights, or pendant lighting. Cozy and functional spaces, kitchens, farmhouse sinks, wooden countertops, open shelves, and vintage dishware. Bedrooms, soft linen bedding, layered coils, antique nightstands. Living rooms, use overstuffed sofas, fireplace mantles, cozy reading nooks. Dining areas, mismatched chairs, rustic wooden tables, and fresh flowers. Styling tips for rustic cottage decor, blend old and new. Use feathers or thrifted pieces alongside modern comforts. Embrace imperfection, chipped paint, ordered wood, and handmade items add character. Decorate with nature, fresh flowers, potted herbs, and natural textures. Bring life into the space. Keep it light and airy. White walls, sheer curtains, and large windows maximize natural light. Create cozy layers, soft rugs, textured blankets, and plush pillows add warmth. Variations of rustic cottage style, French country rustic. Use soft florals, ornate furniture, whitewashed wood. This thought is rustic, cozy nooks, floral wallpaper, and vintage china. Scandinavian rustic, minimalist, light earth tones, simple and functional. Farmhouse rustic, barn doors, apron front sinks, distressed furniture. Rustic cottage decor is perfect for those who love nostalgic, comfortable, and nature-inspired homes. Rustic cottage decor is a timeless and inviting design style that blends rustic, vintage, and cozy elements to create a homey atmosphere. It's deeply rooted in traditional cottage living, emphasizing natural materials, soft colors, edged textures, and a sense of warmth. This style is all about comfort, charm, and an effortless lived-in aesthetic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.